In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook event using Meta Business Suite. Whether you're organizing a formal business seminar or a casual gathering, crafting the perfect event on Facebook can help you reach your target audience effectively and effortlessly. First, make sure you're logged into the Meta Business Suite. This platform is a hub of activity for managing your business presence on Facebook, and it conveniently allows you to handle things like posts, ads, and of course, events. Once you're in the suite, you'll want to find your way to the Events Manager. This is your destination for starting and managing all of your Facebook events, offering a streamlined interface that makes the whole process much easier. Here in the Events Manager, you'll see the option to create a new event. Just look for the plus Create Event button and give it a click. This action opens up the creation panel where the magic happens. Start by entering the name of your event. It's crucial to select a name that's both catchy and informative, encouraging potential attendees to instantly understand what the event is about. Next, specify the date and time of your event. Be sure to double-check your time zone settings here to avoid any confusion, especially if you're expecting an international audience. Whether your event is a one-time thing or scheduled weekly, this section sets the stage for your audience's experience. Following that, you'll need to address the location details. If your event is in a physical venue, provide the exact address to help attendees locate it easily. However, if this is an online event, choose the option that best fits, such as a Facebook Live, a Zoom meeting, or another virtual location of your choosing, so your audience knows exactly where to log in. Don't forget to include a detailed description of your event. This is your chance to shine with as much information as possible, laying out what attendees can expect. Be specific about topics, guest speakers, or any special activities planned. The more inviting and precise your description, the better. Add a cover photo to make your event visually appealing. Choose an image that resonates with your theme and communicates your event's vibe instantly. Now, pivot to the privacy settings of your event. Options here range from public gatherings open to all to private events with limited invites or visibility. Lastly, take advantage of further customization options like categories and keywords. These can aid potential attendees in discovering your event based on their interests and increase your reach by linking it to relevant search queries. With all these details set in place, you've turned your idea into a Facebook event. Now it's time to hit save and prepare to engage with your audience. So, whether it's your first event or the 100th, these steps will guide you smoothly through the creation process. Ensuring every aspect is covered. Enjoy organizing, and we hope your event is a resounding success.